I have a wonderful dish made with pumpkin today. It's my pumpkin pizza. Well, it has more on it than just that, but I'm starting with a base of pumpkin. Instead of marinara as a typical pizza, I'm going to use a pumpkin base, and I'm going to put some flavors with this that go so well. Let's get started. I have a little bit of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie mix, but pumpkin puree, a little bit of salt, and then about a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of Aleppo chili flake. You could use regular chili flake if you want. I really like Aleppo, just great flavor. And just mix that all around. I have my basic pizza dough that I make all the time. The recipe's on taylorkitchen.net. Actually, the dough can be made, I call it my everyday dough. You can use it for a lot of different things. But I've already rolled it out, made it, proofed it. It takes about an hour. And it's so good, and it's so good for a lot of different purposes. And I'm just gonna spread the pumpkin puree mixture evenly over my dough. Okay, once that's on, I'm gonna use some kale. This is frozen kale that I thawed. I like to keep frozen kale and spinach on hand. They just make a really good addition to lots of different things. But this is gonna be a really good addition to my pumpkin-based pizza. Yum. And then I have an Italian chicken sausage, just one. Then I have a few mushrooms that I sliced thinly, and those go on. Then I have some manchego cheese. You can use a different kind of cheese if you want. Anything that melts pretty nicely will do. Goat cheese would be really good on this. Then some rosemary. I'm just gonna tear it off. I'm not even gonna chop it. We're gonna be real rustic. This goes into my 425 oven. It should take 20 to 30 minutes. This is hot out of the oven, and I'm gonna just drizzle on some hot honey. It's kind of like the thing to do now. It's so good. And I didn't buy hot honey. I put some chili garlic sauce with my honey. Oh man, that's gonna make it awesome.